Hey my little rays of sunshine, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, what's up? I'm Ray. Thank you so much for watching. So today I wanted to share with you my favorite top 10 spring/summer lip colors. I have 5 from the drugstore and 5 high-end, so it's a nice little mixture. So before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and without further ado, let's jump into the video. Is literally a disaster. I don't even want to talk about it. I just threw it up. It's been down and giving me issues all day, so I just threw it up and I'm sorry about that. Also, I got like a breakout on my nose the other day, so if you see that in my video, I'm so sorry. Plus, my nails have to be done and they're a disaster. So basically, I'm a hot mess. But anyways, let's just jump into it because I don't want to like waste your time just like chatting and like ranting and going on and on about things that doesn't interest you. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with my favorite drugstore lip products, and then I'll move into my high-end ones. The first one I have here is the Physicians Formula The Healthy Lip in All Natural Nude. It looks like this. Just a very basic nude. I love the formula of this. I've talked about this a million times on my channel. I'm just going to swatch it on my hand so you guys can see the color. That's what that one looks like. So I love the formula of those. I've talked about it a million times. It's more of like a velvet finish rather than a complete matte. It does dry down. I'm not sure if it transfers or not, but it doesn't last all day on the lips. It lasts most of the day, but you do have to reapply it, and I don't have any issues reapplying it just because it's a really good formula and I love that one. And it's perfect for the summer, and it just goes with any like makeup look you're doing, you know, cool tone, warm tone. It's perfect across the board. So this one's definitely a staple in my collection. So the next color I want to talk about is the color that's actually on my lips. This is Dreamy by ColourPop and Kathleen Lights. Do a little swatch next to that one. It's definitely more of like a peachy coral color, not so much a nude, and that is what Dreamy looks like. Dreamy is perfect for those days you want like a pop of color, but nothing too crazy. Like, it's definitely still wearable, and it's perfect for those like very warm toned looks, and it's so summery and just brings life to any makeup look. So I definitely recommend you checking out Dreamy if you're looking for a pop of color this summer. I absolutely love it. So the next color, if you're feeling really bold, is perfect for you. This is Rêve and it is the Ultra Satin Lip with Kathleen and ColourPop. This is like a hot orange. So this looks amazing on people with like a tan. I mean, I don't tan, but I still love this for like a pop of color. I'm obsessed with this color. If I want to just bring my look to the next level, this is the color I pop on right here. So it is not for the faint of heart. It's definitely a bold in your face color. So if you are looking for something like that this summer, then Rêve is perfect for you. The last 2 drugstore lip colors I have are glosses. One is by ColourPop, which is the Moonchild gloss. This one's also with Kathleen Lights and ColourPop. As you can tell, I'm a huge fan of Kathleen. This is the perfect nude gloss for me. I just put this on top of any nude that I'm wearing, and it just gives it a nice glossy finish. and it's definitely my go-to if I want a nude glossy lip. And that is what Dreamy looks like. Look at that shine. And the last gloss slash drugstore lip color that I have is the Color Icon lip gloss in the shade Featherless. This is part of the one second, it jumped out of my hand. This is part of the Flights of Fancy collection, and this is the perfect gloss if you're wanting like a peach, and I absolutely love that. And that's what Featherless looks like right there. Now moving on to my high-end lip colors. The first two I want to talk about are my favorite two Kylie lip colors. Now, I love Kylie lip kits, but I know some people don't because they can be drying. But my two favorite out of all of the ones that I own are Candy K and Exposed. And these, for me, are just staple nudes in my collection. Candy K is more of a pinky nude, whereas Exposed is more of a warm peachy brown nude. If you have never tried Kylie lip kits before, they dry down completely matte and people find them drying. I find them a little drying, but not to the point where I wouldn't wear them because they're not uncomfortable for me, but it really is like based on personal preference. And I just love the colors so much that I deal with it. So this is Candy K right here, and this is Exposed. It looks like this nude one up here by Physicians Formula is like a hybrid of these two. Like it has a little bit of warmth in it, but it's also a peachy, like a pinky nude. So that's very interesting. I mean, some people would see those colors as exactly the same, but I definitely don't. So the next high-end liquid lipstick I have in my collection that I am loving for spring and summer is the Tarte's Lip Paint in Rosé. I got this during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale, and I love this. So looking at it, it's very similar to Dreamy, but it's a tad bit on the nude side rather than like the warm peachy side. That right there is Rosé, and that right there is Dreamy. So they are a tad bit different, but very similar color family. The next color I have is Stripped by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm sorry guys, my camera died. So I was talking about Stripped. So I would say Stripped is very similar. This is Stripped right here. It's very similar to Candy K and Exposed, as well as All Natural Nude by Physicians Formula. Same color family, definitely a nude. This one's a little more brown though than the other three. It's like a lighter taupey brown as a nude. Okay, so the last lip color I have and want to talk about on my high-end side of lip products for the spring and summer is Miami Fever by Ofra. It's like a burnt orange, so same kind of deal with Rev, but not as in your face, like it's not as bright. And I really like this. It can be worn in the fall too, but I find it looks so nice on like glowy skin and like a warm eye, and I just love this color. I will insert a picture of me wearing it right here if I can. And there's Miami Fever on the end right there. See, very similar color family to Rev, but this one is a lot hotter orange, like very bright neon, and this one's more toned down and like muted. So if you're still looking for something that's going to give you a pop of color but not so like in your face insane, Miami Fever is awesome. Alright, my little rays of sunshine, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what you want to see next from me. Comment down below what your favorite spring/summer lip color is so I can check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, to follow me on my YouTube journey, and hit that little bell notification to be notified every time I upload so you don't miss a video, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.